Welcome to Webtalk and the Ad Rewards program. On Webtalk you can earn points that will generate you real cash. Here is the right way to earn those points. The first step you need to do is to complete your profile 100%. When adding a profile photograph, make sure you are uploading a real photograph of yourself. People need to know they are communicating with a real person, not a cartoon character or a photograph of your baby. Yes, you know what I am talking about. No complete profile, no points. It is that simple, and points make cash. Next, you have to enroll in the Referral Rewards program. This is very important, as well as completing your profile if you want to start earning. If you don't enroll, once again you don't earn points. And you will never earn cash. Make sure you read and sign the affiliate agreement. Then what you need to do to earn from the ad pool rewards that pays its members, is to engage with other members, make comments on other people's posts. Like posts that you really enjoy. If you feel the post will benefit other members, or it is a post you love, make sure you share it. This will support other members as well. Try and visit Webtalk daily and make at least a daily post if you can. The more active you are, the more you will earn, and this is a free way to earn more income. You will earn from the time you invested with other members. To earn more, think about creating good content to contribute. A great article or posting a video will earn you a good amount of points, especially when people interact on the content you post. Another way to earn is to bring in new people, invite people to join Webtalk and connect with them, build relationships and interact with them. You will earn points when they invest their time, and you will earn money if they upgrade. Webtalk is free to join and free to earn ad rewards. For the best results, and I am talking personally here, being an upgraded member brings you more rewards. As an upgraded member, you can benefit 5 levels deep of referrals. This is available until Webtalk reaches 1 million paid members. After this it will be 1 level deep only. Think of the points you can earn compared to a free member earning 1 level deep on points and on upgrade commissions. Webtalk is the only program anywhere that's offering up to 50% of all its revenue for life. It is unique in this industry. Just think, Facebook generates over $5 billion per month from their ad revenue. They do not share this revenue with its members. Webtalk is sharing with you. 50% of all ad revenue will be given away every month through the Ad Pool Rewards program. Make sure you are part of this by completing that profile of yours 100% and enrolling, as we spoke about earlier in this video. The key here is to be active, and this will create success, and it will give you a better opportunity to earn more and more points that will generate more and more money for you. Take a look at how the points can be generated. #networking pays. Subscribe. Click that bell icon for more videos to follow. Like. Comment below if you have any questions regarding Webtalk. Join today, it is free.